Good morning, students. I am Deepankar Jaludria, Assistant Professor English, Government College, Kelwada. Today we will discuss about the famous poem of G.G. Byron, She Walks in Beauty. George Gordon Byron was a romantic poet and he was the contemporary of Sally Keats and Wordsworth. George Gordon Byron was born in 1788 and he was dead in 1824. He was the close friend of P.B. Shelley and he died after the 2 years of P.B. Shelley's death. जॉर्ज गॉर्डन बायरन की अगर बात की जाए दोस्तों तो इसकी जो फेमस कृति थी सिल्ड हेरोल्ड, इसके बहुत सारे कैंटोज आए थे और एक थी डॉन जॉन। और अपनी ये जो प्रेजेंट पोइम है शी वॉक्स इन ब्यूटी, इसके बारे में अपन चर्चा करते हैं। ये पोइम है अपने बीए पार्ट सेकंड ईयर के फर्स्ट पार्ट की एक पोइम है। अगर हम बात करें इस पोइम के बारे में, सी वॉक्स इन ब्यूटी लाइक द नाइट ऑफ cloudless climes and starry skies, and all that is best of dark and bright meet in her aspect and her eyes, thus mellowed to that tender light which heaven to gaudy day denies. One said the more, one ray the less, had half impaired the nameless grace of which waves in every raven trees or softly lighten over her face. Were thoughts serenely sweet express how pure, how dear their dwelling place, and on that cheek and over that brow, so soft, so calm, yet eloquent, the smiles that win, the tints that glow, but tells of days in goodness spent, a mind at peace with all below, a heart whose love is innocent. This short lyric was written by George Gordon Byron. It is one of the Hebrew melodies. This beautiful lyric was composed in 1814 on Mrs. Wilmot Horton. She was a relation of Byron's. She had met him at a ball dance. The lady wore a black dress with numerous spangles on it. This spangled black dress suggested likeness of the night with numerous twinkling stars. The poet said that Mrs. Horton has a mild radiance on her face. This radiance is the result of a happy fusion of darkness and brightness. This happy fusion imparts a unique beauty to her face, but more impressive than the beauty of her face is the expression of sweet, gentle, and peaceful thoughts on her face. This expression is indicative of the purity and gentleness of her mind. Her mind is the dwelling place of serene and pure thoughts. Her cheeks are tender, delicate, and calm. There is bright smile on her face. The whole face is suffused with a unique brightness. The bright smiles and the gleams of her face attract the heart and win its affection. This is because the smiles and the radiance on her face speak volume in favor of the virtuous life of the lady. They leave a clear and unmistakable impression that the lady has spent her life in doing good and practicing virtue. They also indicate that the lady has been living on terms of perfect peace, friendliness, and sympathy with all things in the world. The smiles and the radiance on her face also show that her heart is deeply in love with the pure and harmless object and experiences which cross her path in her pilgrimage on this earth. If we talk about the stanza form of this poem, the stanza form of 6 lines each with a simple rhyming scheme AB 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 is quite keeping with the mood of the poem. The rhyme scheme and the use of various poetic devices make the poem a beautiful short piece of art. तो दोस्तों आज की अपनी ये पोएम है, ये यहीं पे समाप्त होती है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अगली पोएम के साथ फिर मुलाकात होगी।